Hi everyone, I'm Geoff Borro and I'm the Director of Nutrition Services at One on One. Today I'm excited to share with you the impact that beverages can have on your weight loss goals. In my experience as a dietitian, I've noticed that many folks with weight loss goals focus on 1, decreasing their caloric intake from food, and 2, increasing their exercise. And don't get me wrong, that's important, but one thing that often gets overlooked is what they're drinking. Drinks don't really contribute to our feeling of fullness, so it's easy to forget that they still pack a lot of calories. Grabbing a morning latte, having a glass of juice at brunch, a soda in the afternoon, and a couple of glasses of wine at the end of the day, for many that's a typical day. But when you look at how they add up, it can be surprising. So let's unpack that day. A vanilla latte in the morning, 250 calories. A glass of orange juice, 120 calories. Can of soda in the afternoon, 240 calories. And then the 2 glasses of wine at night, another 250 calories. That's 860 calories just from drinks. So to put that in perspective, that's the same as eating 2 large slices of chocolate cake. And yet most of us wouldn't think twice about those beverages because they're sipped slowly and spread across the day. But that's the problem. They don't satisfy hunger and they're easy to overlook. Now, this isn't about eliminating everything that you enjoy. It's about being informed and in control. If having the vanilla latte in the morning will bring you joy, then do it. Know how many calories are in it and fit it into your nutrition plan for the day. It's that simple. And when you're in the mood for something tasty that has less calories, opt for a cold brew with almond milk, a sparkling water, or an unsweetened tea. So, moving forward, don't let liquid calories sabotage your weight loss efforts. Be informed and make choices today that align with your long-term goals. You'll be glad you did.